This is Milwaukee 23 pieces shockwave titanium drill bit sets. Let's open the package. I'll be using this drill bit sets. I don't know how long it is, but it's a very good set. The one thing I'd recommend it because it got a lot of varieties. There are all kinds of varieties. This not only gave you like a 1/4 inch, 1/8, 16th, half inch. The other sets, like 19 pieces, they only give you very less varieties. But sometimes that you just need some kind of different, like 7/64, right? Like 5/64, like something like really odd. But when you do your job, especially you're doing carpentry, you need this kind of stuff. And you see that I'll be using a lot, and some were missing or some just broken, but they have the double, like 2/4 and the 2 7/16/64, and the 1/8 they got double as well. So even though you break one, you still have one in the package, and the package is very good. It dropped. It's been thrown everywhere, and this package just don't break. Another thing is that this bit go through really well. It doesn't like walking around. It just go in right away. You can use this bit on impact driver. All you need to do, just put this one in and you just start work. Super easy. And you don't need to struggle fighting with the drill. It just impact. Very balanced, very efficient. I like this one. Hopefully you find these videos helpful. So in my opinion, that this is the beginner drill bit, or I'd say that household, anyone, if you just started, you buy this one. There's some kind of like a whole bunch of, you probably don't need that. This set is good enough for a while. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.